National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dallas County, southwestern Millett County, northwestern Laclede County, southern Camden County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Max Creek to 6 miles southeast of Urbana, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake of the Ozarks, Lake of the Ozarks State Park, Hahatonka State Park, Osage Beach, Camdenton, Max Creek, Lynn Creek, Brumley, Eldridge, Ullman, Leadman, Tunas, Pumpkin Center, Freedom, Kaiser, Old Lynn Creek, Branch, Decaturville, Plaid, Montreal. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for central and southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for central and southwestern Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri: Camden, Dallas, Laclede, and Miller.